these issues, like almost constitutional issues that have been around for so long, but it's like just because it is the digital world, like I think that like we need to treat it as something that's more tangible. And I think that you've done a great job of like those axes and connecting those different things and like thinking about it critically and analyzing these policies. I mean, it's been phenomenal to see like just even middle school kids, those lessons that we did, like they can connect the dots and be like, okay, this works, this doesn't because of this, you know, is violating whatever, this is inhumane, or, you know, this makes sense. So I think that if middle school kids can do it, like, and college students right now in this room could do it, like we can definitely, you know, pitch that for those people who actually have the power to hopefully be able to do something. Like we got to regulate this. Like there has to be laws and there has to be legislation, and it's ridiculous that up until this moment like there isn't, and something really needs to be done, especially for our kids. I'd say like they need that security and that safety, and like we need to fix this.